Welcome to my channel. HP Wi-Fi printer printing blank pages but has ink. 1. Check ink cartridges. Ensure the ink cartridges are properly installed and not empty or clogged. Remove and reinsert them securely to confirm proper placement. 2. Run print head cleaning. Use the printer's built-in cleaning function to clean the print head. This can often be done through the printer's display panel or software. 3. Align the print head. Run the print head alignment function from the printer's maintenance menu or through the HP printer software on your computer to improve print quality. 4. Print a test page. Use the printer's settings or software to print a test page. This helps identify if the issue persists or if it's isolated to specific documents. 5. Check paper type settings. Make sure the printer settings match the type of paper you are using, e.g., plain, photo. Incorrect settings can lead to printing issues. Six. Update printer firmware. Check for firmware updates for your printer model. Outdated firmware can cause printing errors. 7. Reinstall printer driver. Uninstall the current printer driver and download the latest version from the HP website. Reinstalling can fix potential software-related issues. 8. Check wireless connection. Ensure the printer is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your computer. A poor or unstable connection can lead to printing problems. 9. Clear print queue. Go to your computer's print queue and clear any pending or stalled print jobs. This helps eliminate corrupted files causing blank prints. 10. Reset the printer. Turn off the printer, unplug it from the power source, and wait for 60 seconds. Plug it back in, turn it on, and try printing again. This can resolve many minor printer malfunctions. Thank you for watching.